Moderna is known for its COVID-19 vaccine, leveraging its mRNA technology. You might be wondering, can a company expand to meet global demand in a sustainable and responsible way? The answer is yes. We're going to learn how. Debbie Donovan oversees Moderna's environmental, health, and safety efforts, and she's spearheaded sustainability initiatives her entire career. Why is it important for pharmaceutical companies to act sustainably?
As a healthcare company, we want to make sure we're providing therapies for people to either recover from sickness or prevent them from being sick with a vaccine. But also we know there's a link between human health and the environment. So we want to do our part for the environment as well to keep people healthy.
This is reflected in Moderna's goal to achieve net zero carbon emissions from their operations by 2030.
One of our other Moderna mindsets is pushing past possible. So there's lots of folks that say this isn't possible to do, but the way we work here at Moderna is we are going to try to find a way. We are pushing towards that 2030 goal, and it is possible.
Drew Peters works closely with Donovan to help achieve Moderna's net zero aspirations. He explained some of the energy-efficient elements they've incorporated at the Norwood campus.
So you can see that we have a lot of LED lighting throughout the space. We've been able to maximize the operation in the counter space to fit for purpose. We've replaced some windows and increased the energy efficiency of both this lab space and our manufacturing space. Moderna is in a unique position where we're a young company with rapid expansion, and we can develop or take the learnings that we have at our Norwood campus and apply it to new properties. Where our new building designs, we're incorporating the most innovative, efficient equipment possible to help us reduce our energy consumption, carbon emissions, and impact on the environment.
Tara Jones oversees end-to-end supply for Moderna's North America region, from manufacturing to the final vial or syringe that goes out to people.
The biggest challenges are associated with sheer volume of solutions that need to be managed, as well as the fact that you need living cells in order to grow and express the product. That ultimately becomes then the medicine.
So how has the Norwood facility brought a solution to that challenge?
We manufacture the mRNA without cells. It's a chemical reaction, so it takes away all of that complexity of needing to grow and nurture cells and then ultimately inactivate them to be able to successfully dispose of them. And the scale that we're operating at is significantly smaller than traditional biopharmaceuticals. So in traditional biopharma, it could be anywhere from up to 20,000 liters of these cells growing to produce your product. And we're talking about 200-fold less. So just the sheer magnitude of the footprint is significantly less.
The Norwood facility is where Moderna produces materials for its global clinical trials, as well as its commercial COVID vaccine for North America, producing more than 1 billion vaccines last year.
Which is an amazing milestone and achievement for what we were able to do with such a small facility and a small team.
Moderna officials say they can't reach net zero alone. They stress the importance of their stakeholders in achieving their goal.
We couldn't do this without partnering with our stakeholders and suppliers, and it ranges from stakeholders such as our landlord, where we're operating a building in Cambridge, Massachusetts, where the landlord understands Moderna's commitment to net zero.
This building is poised to be the most energy efficient in Cambridge. Moderna also works closely with its strategic suppliers along the value chain. It'll partner with a logistics company in Europe to transport material from Spain to the Netherlands using hydrotreated vegetable oil, reducing carbon emissions up to 90%. And once Moderna achieves its net zero goal,
we're never going to be done, right? We always will be pushing for how can we improve, how can we be better, what can we do to take this to the next level. We'll be looking at single-use plastics and water use, and use of natural resources in general to make sure that we can apply those same programs and principles across all of the elements of sustainability within our business.